Standard electronic enclosures fail in extreme environments. Engineers need a solution that withstands heavy impacts, dust, and water. Welcome to the audio blog by SOS Electronic. We bring you the latest technical insights and solutions from the world of electronic components. Today we're diving into engineering for extremes. Hammond Manufacturing's Ultra-Rugged 1590Z series enclosures. When you need to deploy electronics into unforgiving industrial environments, standard off-the-shelf housing simply won't cut it. This heavy-duty aluminium alloy version steps up to the plate. It brings robust IK08 impact resistance and an IP68 protection rating to even the most demanding applications. Let's look at how these rugged metal enclosures protect your design. The 1590Z series by Hammond Manufacturing has been a reliable staple for years. These boxes are pressure die-cast from a high-grade aluminium alloy, combining lightweight handling with exceptional structural integrity. Unlike common metal enclosures, this series features significantly thicker walls from 3 up to 5.2 millimeters. This added material vastly improves impact resistance and ensures the housing resists structural deformation even under severe mechanical stress. Our product manager, Martin Brestovich, notes that when you need to pair the brute strength of aluminium with an uncompromising seal, this series is the absolute gold standard. You can mount these units without risking any compromise to their protection. Let's look at the key design features. First, a precision-engineered tongue and groove system with a replaceable silicone gasket maintains flexibility from -40 to +150 degrees Celsius. In practice, this ensures reliable shield from fine dust and continuous water submersion. Next, the mounting holes are kept completely outside the gasket zone, so you won't compromise the watertight seal during installation. Finally, the lid is secured with stainless steel machine screws, threading into pre-tapped holes, preventing thread stripping during repeated maintenance. Hammond Manufacturing offers this line in 28 sizes, ranging from compact boxes to substantial industrial cabinets. The lineup has just expanded with 3 new sizes, providing even more flexibility for your layout. You can choose from 3 distinct surface finishes: unfinished natural aluminium for maximum conductivity, textured black powder coat for UV stability, or classic industrial gray. In conclusion, these heavy-duty enclosures excel in outdoor sensor nodes, agricultural machinery, and harsh chemical processing. The full article with detailed dimensions is available on our website. You can find full technical specifications and more articles at www.sos-electronic.com. We are your reliable partner in electronics. Thank you for listening.